Okay, since the Department of Health has fully endorsed this, and we take notice of the comments of Congressman Agabao, unless there are any objections, there being none, I hereby approve on the committee level Senate Bill 2915, which shall be forthwith sent to the plenary for approval. Congratulations.
Your Honor, in behalf of my district principally, which is the beneficiary of this hospital, we would like to convey our heartfelt thanks to you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Dean. Okay, the second item in the agenda is House Bill number 5751, an act increasing the bed capacity of the Rosario District Hospital in the Municipality of Rosario, Province of La Union, from 25 to 50 beds and appropriating funds therefore. This is introduced by Representatives Erigel and Ortega. Let's start with the Honorable Congressman Franny Erigel, sir. Any comments you wish to make of record?
Thank you very much, Your Honor. This bill seeks to increase the bed capacity of Rosario District Hospital in the Municipality of Rosario, Province of La Union, from just 25 to 50 bed capacity. The Rosario District Hospital is a level 2 hospital with an increasing population in the district, as well as the distances between existing hospitals, renders the necessary proposed upgrading of the said hospital. The district hospital caters to patients residing not only in the municipality of Rosario with a population of 60,000, but also those from adjacent municipalities of Pugo and Santo Tomas of La Union, and even those from the parts of Sison, Pangasinan, Puzorobio, Pangasinan, San Fabian, Pangasinan, San Jacinto in Pangasinan, and the other towns of Benguet. It is therefore crucial, Your Honor, to increase its bed capacity, upgrade its services and facilities, and employ more medical personnel to provide quality health care to the people of Rosario and nearby provinces. Right now, Your Honor, the bed capacity occupancy of the hospital is at 151.86%. And so it is, I appeal to the Chair to please approve this measure at this point in time. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. We take note of your comment that even towns that are in Pangasinan are being serviced by the said hospital, and so that shows how important this is and how strategic the hospital's location is. Assistant Secretary Bayugo, sir.
Thank you po. The Department of Health fully support the House Bill number 5751 that will increase the bed capacity of Rosario District Hospital from its current 25 to 50 beds. Based on our records, Your Honor, Rosario District Hospital's bed occupancy rate as of 2015 is already 151%. So
151%.
So
okay.
it indeed needs increase in its bed capacity and be authorized to do so, so that they will be able to get also the same privileges from PhilHealth. Kasi po, pag minsan hindi ka authorized, PhilHealth will require explanation why this hospital went beyond their authorized or licensed bed capacities.
So, again, for the record, the Department of Health fully supports this bill.
Yes, we fully support the House Bill 5751.
Okay. In view of the comments of the Honorable Congressman Origel and the full endorsement of the Department of Health, the committee hereby approves House Bill number 5751, and it shall be transmitted forthwith to the plenary for final approval. Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
At this point, the chair would like to call a 1-minute suspension. resumed, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of Senator Pia Cayetano, the former and very dynamic chairman of the Committee on Health. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon. Can I just make a short statement? Since
Yes,
I know
ma'am.
You've finished with the hearing itself. But anyway, I fully support the bills. I went through this myself when I chaired the committee. I urge all of you to push for more allocations from the syntax to help augment. Once you have the bed capacity, I'm sure you want to offer more services. So because of the syntax law, which we passed a couple of years ago, there's really funding available there. So I urge you to push for it because the syntax law will include health enhancement facilities as well as medical assistance. So that talagang mapakinabangan tong mga ginagawa nyo for the health needs of our kababayans. Thank you. Yun lang.
Thank you, Senator Pia. Next on the agenda is House Bill number 5901, an act increasing the bed capacity of the Governor Celestino Gallares Memorial Hospital in Tagbiliran City, province of Bohol, from 225 to 526 beds and appropriating funds therefore, introduced by the Honorable Rene Relampagos of the 1st District of Bohol. Okay. Honorable Rene Relampagos, sir, you are recognized for your comments.
Thank you so much, Senator Gingona, and likewise, thank you also to the Honorable Senator Pia Cayetano. Well, to borrow your words, Mr. Chairman, you said that it would be a case of legislation catching up with reality. No? The same is also true insofar as the Governor Celestino Gallares Memorial Hospital is concerned. A law was passed way back 20 years ago to increase its bed capacity to 225. This was 20 years ago. And now, after 20 years, we are seeing the need to increase again the bed capacity because of the present realities right now obtaining in the present operation of the hospital, whereas there is so much congestion and overcrowding. And this has been aggravated because of the earthquake that we had in 2013, wherein a lot of our health facilities were also severely destroyed, and some totally, some partially destroyed. And as a result of which, it contributed to more congestion in the present hospital. And as such, there is a need to upgrade it. No? For the past years now, since 2010 to 2014, without including the 2015 figures, the occupancy bed rate has already gone way beyond the 100%, no? From 120 to 130%. If you would notice that if you go to this hospital, even the alleys, the corridors, a lot of, temporary beds are being set up just to accommodate, no? If only to accommodate, but then a lot are not being accommodated because of space limitation. So because of this, I would like to pray and request the Honorable Committee of the Senate Committee chaired by the Honorable Gingona for the favorable consideration of this House bill, and I'm very thankful that our Committee on Health Chair here is also present in today's meeting. He was really very instrumental in pushing for the approval of this measure in the House of Representatives.
Thank you, Congressman Relampagos. I see Dr. Jose Alcay is here. Sir, would you like to comment?
Good afternoon, Honorable Chair, Senator Gingona. My comment here is I would agree with the Honorable Congressman that we are really experiencing congestion in our hospital. And to add with what the congressman was telling us this afternoon, there are sometimes beds that one bed occupied by 3 patients who are going to deliver. So if we take a look at my hospital today, it's really there is really an explosion and a congestion of our patients. And of course, statistical also would tell us that every household percentage as to population with a ratio of 1:1,000, we are way below from somehow about 800. We need 826 beds in the entire region. Ours is only 225. The disparity is quite long. So if we base it into household, then I think it is high time now to narrow the gap in order to have the service, and much more that our PhilHealth is already much being felt by the people. So we have to prepare ourselves by increasing our occupancy, bed occupancy. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Arcay. Dr. Jaime Bernadas, the Regional Director of the Department of Health for Region 7. Sir?
Good afternoon, Senator Ginguana, sir. This is from Region DOH, Region 7. We fully support House Bill number 5901, increasing the bed capacity of Governor Celestino Gallares Memorial Hospital from 225 to 526 for reasons stipulated earlier. And the Department of Health Region 7 interposes no objection for this proposal, and it fully supports the hospital, it being the Regional Training Teaching Hospital of Region 7. It is the second biggest hospital of Region 7, and it caters to the entire province of Bohol and the neighboring provinces near to Bohol, Southern Leyte and Siquijor. So for the reasons above, sir, we fully support the measure pushed by the Honorable Rene Rilampagos.
Thank you, Dr. Jaime. It's interesting to note that even people from Siquijor and Southern Leyte go there, so there's really a need to increase it. Department of Health, Assistant Secretary Bayugo, sir. Call your comments, please.
Thank you, sir, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. The Department of Health interposes no objection, and actually we appreciate the noble intent of the House Bill, increasing the bed capacity of Governor Celestino Gallares Memorial Hospital from 225 to 526 beds. As what has mentioned by our regional director, the hospital has been catering not only to Bohol but even nearby areas. So the DOH has designated this hospital as our regional hospital for Central Visayas. And as far as mentioned earlier by Dr. Arcay, indeed the hospital bed occupancy rate, is beyond the ideal of 85%. It is catering to 130% of the bed capacity of the hospital. So rightfully, we need to improve and increase the bed capacity of the hospital so that the proper manpower complement the proper budget will be provided by law. Thank you, sir.
Okay, in view of the comments given by our honorable resource persons, the Committee on Health of the Philippine Senate hereby approves House Bill number 5901, an act increasing the bed capacity of the Governor Celestino Gallares Memorial Hospital in Tagbiliran City, province of Bohol, from 225 to 526 beds and appropriating funds therefore. Congratulations. With that, this hearing is hereby adjourned. Thank you.